Have you ever watched a live stream that seemed impossible to leave? People were engaged, the chat was active, the host had everyone's attention, and it felt like people genuinely wanted to be there. What's interesting is that it usually wasn't because of that product, and it wasn't because of the size of the audience. It was because of one thing. Most creators think that success comes from information, so they focus on teaching or selling or presenting. But they forget something important. People don't attend events just for information. If information was enough, everyone would watch a video and never attend any type of event again. But that's not what happened. The most successful events create participation, not just consumption. Now, think about the difference between sitting in a classroom where the teacher just talks and talks and talks nonstop versus being in a room where people are involved. They're answering questions, they're sharing ideas, they are participating. Which one feels more engaging? The second one does, every single time. The same thing happens in your live content. People enjoy being part of something, not just watching something. The more involved people feel, the more connected they feel. And the more connected they feel, the more likely they are to stay, return, and buy. So here are some things that you can do to keep people engaged in your live stream. First, ask questions. One of the easiest ways to increase participation is simply asking questions. What do you people think? What's their experience? What challenges are they facing? Questions turn viewers into participants. The second thing is acknowledge people. When someone comments, respond. When someone joins, welcome them. When someone participates, recognize them. People enjoy being seen. The third thing you can do is give people a role. The best events make people feel involved. Maybe they're voting. Maybe they're sharing feedback. Maybe they answer some questions. The goal is to move them from observer to an actual participant. The fourth thing you can do is create conversations. Many creators talk the entire time. Instead, create opportunities for discussions. Community grows through conversations, not monologues. And the fifth thing you can do is make people feel like they belong. Now, this is a big one. People return to places where they feel welcome, where they feel recognized, where they feel like part of a community. And this is often the difference between a one-time viewer and a loyal follower. So, what's the one thing almost every successful live event has in common? Participation. The audience isn't just watching, they are involved, they are connected, and they're part of the experience. And that's exactly what keeps people coming back. Now, if you want help getting more viewers, attracting more customers, and building a stronger business, then join Tiny Challenge and get a 5-day one-to-one training session with me. We'll work together to identify opportunities in your business and help you create a plan to attract more viewers, build stronger customer relationships, and generate more sales. So don't miss it. Go ahead and click in the description below. Click the link so you can join today. All right, friend, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching. I truly appreciate your support. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so that way you can get more videos on live selling, content creation, audience growth, customer engagement, and business building strategies. All right, I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. If you are struggling with your brand impact, then watch the next video.